In today's fast-paced business environment, managing projects efficiently is crucial for success. Project management software, or PMS, has emerged as a key tool in this regard, offering a range of functionalities designed to streamline project planning, execution, and monitoring. This essay explores what project management software is, its core features, and the numerous benefits it offers to service providers. What is project management software? Project management software is a digital tool designed to help teams and individuals plan, execute, and oversee projects from inception to completion. It provides a suite of functionalities that facilitate various aspects of project management, including task scheduling, resource allocation, budgeting, and communication. Core features. Task management allows users to create, assign, and track tasks and subtasks. This feature often includes setting deadlines, priorities, and dependencies. Gantt charts offer a visual representation of project timelines, showing the start and end dates of tasks and their interdependencies. Resource management tools help allocate and track resources such as personnel, equipment, and materials. Time tracking enables the recording of time spent on tasks and projects, which is crucial for billing and productivity analysis. Collaboration tools include features like messaging, file sharing, and comment threads to facilitate team communication and collaboration. Reporting and analytics provide insights into project performance, resource utilization, and progress through various reports and dashboards. Budget management helps in tracking project costs, managing budgets, and forecasting expenses. Risk management identifies potential risks and issues and helps in creating mitigation plans. How project management software benefits service providers. Service providers, ranging from consulting firms to IT service providers, can greatly benefit from the use of project management software. Here's a detailed look at the various advantages it offers. Enhanced project planning. Project management software provides robust planning tools that enable service providers to develop detailed project plans. By using Gantt charts and task management features, teams can create a visual timeline of the project, identify key milestones, and set realistic deadlines. This helps in organizing tasks logically, ensuring that every aspect of the project is accounted for. Effective planning involves not only scheduling tasks, but also allocating resources efficiently. PMS tools allow service providers to assign tasks based on team members' skills and availability. This ensures that resources are utilized optimally, reducing bottlenecks and enhancing productivity. Improved communication and collaboration. Project management software often includes integrated communication tools such as messaging platforms, discussion boards, and file sharing capabilities. This centralizes communication, reducing the need for scattered emails and meetings. Team members can share updates, ask questions, and provide feedback all in one place. Features like shared calendars, collaborative documents, and real-time updates facilitate seamless teamwork. Service providers can work together on tasks, share resources, and monitor progress collectively, which enhances coordination and minimizes misunderstandings. Efficient task and time management. With project management software, tasks can be tracked from start to finish. This includes setting deadlines, monitoring progress, and identifying any delays. By keeping a close eye on task completion, service providers can ensure that projects stay on schedule and within scope. Accurate time tracking is essential for billing clients and assessing project efficiency. PMS tools enable users to log time spent on various tasks, which is crucial for invoicing and for evaluating productivity. This helps service providers manage their workload and provide transparent billing to clients. Better resource management. Effective resource management is critical for service providers to ensure that the right resources are available when needed. Project management software helps in assigning tasks based on team members' expertise and availability. preventing overloading or underutilization of resources. Resource management tools within project management software help in forecasting future resource needs based on current project demands. This enables service providers to plan for additional resources or make adjustments to avoid resource constraints. Cost control and budget management. Project management software offers features for tracking project budgets and expenses. This includes monitoring expenditures against the planned budget and generating financial reports. Service providers can use these insights to control costs and make informed financial decisions. Accurate budgeting is not just about tracking expenses, but also forecasting future costs. Project management software tools provide predictive analytics that help in anticipating potential financial issues and adjusting budgets accordingly. Risk management, identifying risks. Project management software assists in identifying potential risks and issues that could impact project success. By analyzing project data and trends, service providers can spot potential problems early and develop mitigation strategies. Risk mitigation. Once risks are identified, the software helps in creating and implementing risk mitigation plans. This proactive approach helps in minimizing the impact of issues and ensures that projects stay on track. Enhanced reporting and analytics. Performance tracking PMS tools provide various reporting features that help in tracking project performance. Customizable dashboards and reports offer insights into project progress, resource utilization, and task completion. This data helps service providers make informed decisions and improve project outcomes. Data-driven insights. Advanced analytics features enable service providers to analyze trends and patterns in project data. This data-driven approach aids in optimizing processes, identifying areas for improvement, and enhancing overall project management strategies. Scalability and flexibility. Adapting to growth. As service providers grow, their project management needs evolve. Project management software offers scalability, allowing organizations to add more users, projects, and features as required. This flexibility ensures that the software can adapt to changing business needs. Customization. Many PMS tools offer customization options to tailor the software to specific business requirements. This includes configuring workflows, creating custom reports, and integrating with other systems. Such flexibility ensures that the software aligns with the unique needs of the service provider. Project management software is a powerful tool that offers numerous benefits to service providers. From enhanced planning and improved communication to efficient resource management and cost control, PMS tools streamline various aspects of project management. By leveraging these features, service providers can deliver projects more efficiently, maintain high levels of client satisfaction, and achieve better overall performance. As businesses continue to face complex project demands and competitive pressures, the role of project management software becomes increasingly crucial. Embracing this technology enables service providers to stay ahead in the industry, manage projects effectively, and drive success in their operations.